Imagine how new technology will change vehicle utilization in the future. Imagine a world where vehicles park less and work more. Imagine the number of delivery vehicles required when online shopping really takes off. A world where all your transport needs are met by autonomous crowdsourced rides. A world where every vehicle is fully utilized. At Halcyon Agri, we are embracing a future where the wheels are always kept in motion. Because we grow, process, and supply the critical ingredient for each and every tire. It is called natural rubber, and it is an irreplaceable raw material. For natural rubber's double bond isoprene helps to balance the properties of grip, resistance, and elasticity within the complex material technology of every tire. As the world's fastest growing and most progressive natural rubber company, Halcyon Agri grow, process, and distribute all grades of rubber for use on all vehicle types all over the world. Natural rubber is no longer a homogeneous commodity, but a bespoke ingredient tailored to match the many different types of vehicles we depend on every day. And Halcyon Agri supply the majority of the natural rubber the tire industry requires because we have the scale, scope, and reach to adapt to global demand. As innovation reshapes the automotive industry, Halcyon Agri will continue to push rubber technology to keep the world moving.